Hello guys, welcome to the part 2 of the Cloud Forest Singapore. Why they call this is cold forest. So cold forest is a generally tropical and subtropical evergreen mountain moist forest characterized by the present frequent of seasonal low-level cloud cover usually at the canopy. So ayan guys, makikita nyo yung view natin. We are in the second level of the cloud forest. So you can see that downstairs is the very nice view. You know guys, this is my first time going in the cloud forest. So looks so amazing the view. You can see if you see the downstairs, you can see all the plants so green. And this is the indoor cloud forest. So what is the difference of the cloud forest and the rain forest? So so the difference about rainforest and the cloud forest, the cloud forest and the rainforest are both tropically forests in high rainfall and unique wildlife, but they have distinct differences in climate, altitude, and moisture levels. So ayan, makikita nyo kasi nasa indoor forest tayo guys. Indoor cloud forest. So ayan guys, makikita yung mamaya yung waterfalls dyan sa loob. So ayan, kahit nasa labas tayo guys, very amazing. Kahit tingnan nyo sa labas yung view. So ayan guys, makikita nyo yung first video ko, makikita nyo yung sa baba. So, nasa taas na tayo for the second level. So, mamaya aakyat tayo sa third level ng cloud forest. So, napaka-unique. So, ayan guys, ikot-ikot tayo dyan. Pero nakakahilo, but very nice view. So, the cloud forest is one of the world's tallest indoor waterfalls and lush mountain clad with plants from around the world. The cloud forest reward and curious and adventurers go to the fascinating journey of discover and get up close with some of the world's of exotic plants species as long as unique. So ayan guys, di ba? Kahit sa mga ano na lang tayo, kahit sa mga plants, we can see the beautiful plants, nakaka-relax sa mata tingnan. And super cool inside. So ayan guys. Ayan, ikot-ikot lang tayo dyan. At makikita nyo sa labas yan guys. Ayan, yung dagat. So, pero kung tingnan mo guys, nakakatakot. Pero, hindi naman gumagalaw yan yung yung bridge na yan. Kasi ano yan eh. Ano naman yung pagkagawa nila. So, ayan guys. So amazing. The cloud forest. So, shout out to all. So, hindi pa nakapunta, let's go na. Tour ko kayo dito sa cloud forest. So, abangan ang my third part of my video. But, sad to say, yung sa entrance, I forgot to upload for my first video. Kasi mahaba yun. Yung first video ko is almost 10 minutes. But, I realized na sa entrance, hindi ko pala na-upload yun. So, shout out to all my friendship. Ayan sila, guys. So, ayan. Yan lang ginagawa namin kapag day off kami. Relax. Diba? Reward to ourselves. So, trabaho namin for 6 days. So, mag-ikot-ikot rin tayo at maggala-gala to relax ourselves para hindi tayo madali tumanda o shout out dyan sa lahat. And, ayan. Yan lang guys. Masaya ako kasi, ayan, nakapasok ako dyan for how many years stay here in Singapore. Ngayon lang ako nakapasok in the Cloud Paris. Pero sa Flower Dome, how many times? So, ayan, makikita nyo yung Marina Bay doon. Makikita nyo may mga barko-barko dyan. So, kahit nasa taas ka at makatingin ka sa labas, ang ganda pa rin ng view. O, ayan. Mamaya yan may waterfalls. Yun nga yung sa una kong video. Yun sana pagpasok namin sa entrance, yun makikita mo yung waterfalls. O pero hindi ko na-upload. Maybe to the next Sunday, next Saturday, I will upload it. And para makikita yung ano ng falls. So ayan, kahit yan lang yung halaman, oh super ganda, 'di ba? So ayan, yan yung naka-smoke doon sa taas, sabi ko. So, ayan guys. Nakakatuwa lang, 'di ba? So, ganito kami dito sa abroad. Kung saan yung mga gandang lugar, doon kami. At saka hindi. Oh, ayan yung sabi ko yung falls. Yan yung sa taas. Pero hindi mo makikita yung kabuuan yan sa taas. Pero pag doon ka sa baba, makikita mo talaga yung view ng waterfalls na yan. So, ayan guys. Ayan, napakaganda. Oh, napakaganda yan. Sa next video ko, ipapakita ko yung sa entrance. So, ayan lang guys. Thank you so much everyone. Thank you so much for all my viewers, my subscribers. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon para updated kayo sa mga beautiful places here in Singapore. So, thank you so much guys and God bless us all. Huwag kayong magsawang panoorin yung aking mga videos. Ayan, nauna pa yung ano ko, shout out ko. Akala ko matapos na yung video ko. So, by the way, so ayan, nandyan hanggang dyan na lang yung aking video for today. Ayan, maligo na tayo guys. Ayan, oo, tingnan nyo. Pero maganda tingnan dyan guys kapag nasa baba ka. Naka-flush-flush yung water.